split and this relay team. I'm gonna show you guys how I find it. So 4x4 run, we don't know the split. We are very interested in finding out, and we cannot find it on the timing company website. So we decided we're gonna do it ourselves. So we go back for good old software. All right, so let's jump right into it. So right here, these clocks, don't worry about them. These clocks right now, this is clock number 1 right here. Right here is clock number 1. Let me use a different color on the clock. Let me use the red. Yeah, so let me use red so you guys can see it better. All right, so this is number 1. Number 1. And this is number 2. And this is number 3. Number 3 right here. So let me undo that and do it back again one more time. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. These are our 3 clocks because we didn't catch the first runner and at the gun. So the first runner is already gone and we didn't catch that person. So we're gonna have to do number 2, number 3, number 4, and then minus that from the total time, and that's how we're gonna find out what number 1 runs. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that now real quick and how I do it. All right, so what I do, I go here, I scroll up. This is number 1 runner coming in right here. This is our number 1 runner coming in. All right, doing a great job. So now we're gonna just keep scrolling forward real quick because I'm gonna make this video real quick. And then we scroll forward, and number 1 runner coming in. Let's scroll up a little bit quicker. All right, number 1 runner already passed the button. She just passed it. So let's go back right here. All right, right here. Just before she passed it. All right, so. Okay, so here is number 1 runner, right? Number 1 runner is right here and passing it to this person right here. So I'm gonna have to go back a little bit so you guys can see a clean pass. So this is number 1 passing it number 2. So what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna go back 1 step back so you can see the pass. All right, so we go back. All right, see? Right there. About to give it. See, she's stretching. She don't give it yet. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, so as we bring this right here, she passed it. She just passed it. You can see the outgoing runner turns right here. So that means she just got the baton. Now, what I did, I start a clock. I start this clock right where she passed the baton. I start that clock. So we're gonna watch this clock because that's the first clock. Now let's see how much time it take to come around. Let's just fast forward real quick. So we're gonna go right to where this clock start, right there. So that means the outgoing runner just a while ago take this time to go around and come back. 1 minute and 2 seconds. This is their clock. 1 minute and 2 seconds for that second leg. 1 minute, 2 seconds, and 99. Almost 1 minute and 3 seconds. So now we got 1 minute and 2 seconds and 99 to work with. So we're gonna write that down somewhere with a piece of pen and a piece of paper. So that's how we're gonna get it right. Let me just drop it down real quick. Okay, so we have, say we're gonna square this off to 1 minute and 3 seconds. 1 minute and 3 seconds for our second leg. All right, now we're gonna focus on this clock, number 2 clock, which is this clock right here. We're gonna focus on that one now. All right, forget about this and what this one is doing. We're just gonna focus on that one up at the top. So if we look right here, we're gonna fast forward it one more time so we do it quick. We're gonna go all the way to the end real quick, where number 3 clock will be starting right at 0, right here, right somewhere there. All right, so going back a little bit too far back. Right here, right here. So right there. So we're gonna make sure we got it right. Okay. Number 3 runner is going out. Actually, number 4 runner is going out now. This is an anchor leg, so we're gonna highlight the button change. So right here, approximately right here. Perfect. If you look right here now, you see the exchange has been done between both runners right there. So we're going to start this clock, which is clock number 3, because we're not using clock number 1 because we didn't get it from the start. So clock number 3 now, we already have 1 minute and 3 seconds for number 1, 1 minute and 8 seconds for number 2, and now we're trying to see what number 4 is gonna give us. So we're gonna go all the way to the end real quick. We're gonna just fast forward it all the way to the end to where she finished, and it looks like she ran a decent time. All right, so if you look right there, this is number 4 coming in right here. Number 4 is coming in, so we're gonna see what she gives us when she crosses the line right there. This is how we can literally point out who run and how fast who run, because sometimes athletes look like they run similar time, and you don't know as a coach exactly who run the faster time, because you don't have no way to show the split. You don't have no way to show the split. You're not gonna see split until you go to maybe jail, maybe a club championship. You may see the split. So following through the here while you're coaching, you would like to know who running faster, because you have 3 athletes that look like they're running similar times, or you have one that you think did run faster. So these are ways you can break it down. Now, if I go and we're gonna bring her to the line where she crossed the line, because we still haven't figured out yet what our time is. Remember, we're working with clock number 3, which is this clock right here. This is the only clock we should be focusing on right now. This one. We already get number 1, and we already get number 2, which is second leg, third leg, and fourth leg. We didn't count our first leg because we didn't get her from the gun. But we're going to minus number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 from the total time. After we add up those 3 legs, we're going to minus it from the total time, and we're going to know what number 1 did run. So that's easy maths right there. Now, we're going to go here. Let's take this off real quick. All right, now let's just move forward real quick. This, okay. All right, now we got him right where we want it. At the finish line, let's go down to the finish line. Finish line is coming up. Let's move to the finish line real quick. So our fourth leg is already at 1 minute and 6 seconds and 46 and 43. Look like she can pull it off in 1 minute and 108. All right, look like 107. She haven't reached the finish line yet. Now you see where she dipped. That means the finish line is coming up in her. Now, right, if you look at her shadow, let me zoom it out. Yeah, zoom it out so you can get a better look. Her shadow is still right here. Finish line is down here, so she haven't crossed the finish line yet. So we're gonna go down there carefully, because we really want to get a good accurate time on her. So we go one more, bam, right there, almost right here, just a little notch. Right there, I give that to her right there. Yeah, right there, bam. See where the shadow just crossed the line right there? That's where she crossed the finish line. So her shadow is right on the line, and you can see that's exactly where she crossed the finish line. So now let's zoom it back out and check her time. Look at her shadow. Give you some time to look at her shadow, which is right down here, and that's when she crossed the line. So now let's zoom it back in and see what's going on. All right, that's where she finished. So remember, we're focusing on the third clock. So she literally clocked right here. She clocked 107.70. So she's faster than our third leg. She's faster than the third leg by couple milliseconds, just couple milliseconds, maybe 400 of a second. So we have 107. So we have a 103, 108, and a 107. So we put the 107 and the 103 together. That give us 210, and then the 108 that give us we have 210 plus 108. I mean, we have 318. So we have 318, and our total time was 424. So if we take away 318 from 423, we have 106 left for the next person. So our first leg that we did not get the time ran a 106. So first leg was 106. Our second leg was 103. Our third leg was 108, and our last leg was 17. And that's how we end up with 4 minutes and 24 seconds. So this is a way to break down the split. Even if you didn't catch the start of the race, or you didn't catch the finish of the race, any part of the race that you miss, you still can break it down. Once you have the total time that they run, you can break it down here. I can break it down for you if you need me to break it down, but you have to send me a clean, clear video where I can see everybody, and I can do that if you don't know how to do it. But this is the easy way to do it. Let me know if you like this one.